Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your cover pic or upload a cover pic for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. Head into a Chrome browser and go into the YouTube channel. Okay, and click onto your logo of your channel. Just click on your logo channel and click here, your channel, and as you all can see over here, customer channel and YouTube studio. Just click on customer channel and you all will be seeing pencil over here just on the top right corner. Click on it and click on edit channel art. Head into this select photo from computer. Click on it. For me, I'll take a big image, any image, and you'll select yours. Just, go to pictures. I just click on this just to show y'all, and y'all can even drag and drop the file over here, guys. Just drag and drop the file. Yes guys, as y'all can see, this is the desktop preview, and this is the TV preview, and this is the mobile preview. Yes guys, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video.